Hi children, welcome to Narayana Life class. So today in this assignment, let us go with the textbook page number 27. See here in the first section we have choose the correct answers. Let us complete this. A diet that includes all the nutrients, roughage and water in the right amount is called a, what it is called? It is called a balanced diet. Next is the second one. Potato, bread, rice and chapati or rich source of. They are rich source of water. They comes under the carbohydrates. Next see here. We get roughages from where we will get the roughages? Mostly we will get the roughages from the fruits and vegetables. Let us write here D. Next fourth one. A disease caused due to lack of one or more nutrients is called. So, what it is called? Deficiency diseases. Next fifth one. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of. So, this disease it is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. Let us write here vitamin B. Next in the second section we have the fill in the blanks. See the first blank. Essential substances in food that helps our body grow and develop are called. So, they are called the nutrients. 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 The essential substances in food that helps our body to grow and develop are called the nutrients. Next is the second blank. Pulses, eggs, milk and soya beans are rich source of. All these they are rich in proteins. Let us write proteins. 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 Next is the third one. Obesity is caused by eating dash. So obesity is caused due to by eating the junk foods and lack of nutrients. Nutrients. Obesity is caused by eating the junk food and lack of nutrients. Next is the fourth one. Sunlight is a good source of. Sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Vitamin, vitamin D. Next is the fifth one. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of dash in our diet. If in our diet we have taken less quantity of iodine, then we will suffer with this disease called the goiter. So let us write here iodine. I-O-D-I-N-E, iodine. Next is third section. In this we have some words. We have to circle the odd one in that. Okay. See the first one. Carbohydrates, proteins, roughage, vitamins, minerals. So which one is odd here? The first one. Here the roughage is the odd one. Okay. See the second one. Bread, chapati, rice, fruits, potato. So in this, which one is the odd one here? So here the bread, chapati, rice and potato they comes under the carbohydrates, whereas the fruits it comes under the vegetables. Okay. And next see here pulses, beans, rice, meat, milk. So here the rice it comes under the carbohydrates, it is the odd one, and the rest of that they comes under the proteins. Next is the fourth one. Cheese, butter, ghee, water and meat. All these things they comes under the fat, whereas the water it comes under the minerals. Next is the fifth one. Rickets, beriberi, typhoid, scurvy, night blindness. Here which one is the odd one? Typhoid is the odd one and the remaining they are the deficiency diseases, whereas the typhoid it is a communicable disease. Okay. Next is the fourth section D. Here, who am I? Here we have sentence. Let us read out. I am present in pulses, egg and milk, I help your body in growth and maintenance. So it helps in the growth and maintenance. Which type of nutrients it is? It is the proteins. Let us write here proteins. Proteins. See the second one. I gave you extra energy for latter use. However, you should have less of me. So what is that which is stored in our body and it is used for the latter use? It is the fats. Let us write here FATS, fats. Next is the third one. I am not a nutrient but helps in carrying nutrients to various parts of our body. It is not a nutrient but it carries the nutrients to different parts. So what it is? It is the blood. BLOOD, blood. Next is the fourth one. I am enjoyable to eat but bad for your health. It is not good for our health. You should avoid eating me. So we should avoid eating that. What type of food it is? It is the junk food. JUNKFOOD. It is the junk food. Next is the fifth one. I am needed in small quantity. My deficiency can causes anemia. So deficiency of this, it causes the disease called anemia. So what it is? It is the iron. Let us write here IRON, iron. Okay, thank you.